Good evening, fellow crocheters. I'm G from G's Homemade Handmade. Today I'm going to teach you one of the basics of crocheting, which is the chain stitch. So the chain stitch is used in so many projects. It's basically the very first chain that you need to make in order for you to start or build your project. So in today's tutorial, I'm using a cotton yarn. This is a hand-dyed cotton yarn and a 3mm hook. So, but in your case, you can choose any yarn that you want. There are different types of yarns out there that's available depending on your location and also depending on the project that you'll be creating. So since this is the yarn that I have, I'll be using this. Okay, so to start with, we need to make a slip knot. Okay. I made a tutorial on how to make a slip knot, but one of the methods that I use is this. So I wrap the yarn over two of my fingers, okay, and then push the yarn inside and then pull. There. That's easy, right? So that's how you make a slip knot. Now that you have a slip knot, you have to make sure that the hole, okay, this one, allows your hook to glide smoothly. Okay, so it's not too tight or not too loose. Okay, and then so to start the chain stitch, so you also have to make sure that your hook, this one, is facing downwards, so it's easy for you to grab the yarn that is connected to your finger, to your pointer finger. Okay, so let's start. So make sure that it's facing downwards, right? So as you can see, it's the yarn, or I mean the hook is facing downwards. So you have to go under the yarn. Okay, there, under, and then over, and then grab the hook, grab the yarn, and then pull your hook inside. So let's do that again. So make sure again that your hook is facing downwards. Okay, then go under and then over, and then grab your hook, pull the yarn, and then there. So let's do that one more time, a little faster this time. So go under, over, then pull. Over, pull. There. So that's how you make a chain stitch. So this will, once you know this, or once you've perfected making the chain stitch, you will be able to create different crochet projects, because basically this is the very first chain that you usually use. So hope this tutorial helps you, and let me know what else you need me to teach you. But basically this is one of the most important chains that you need to learn. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.